Hello, welcome back. This is Disha, Shah, and I create videos on how to make, save, and invest money. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. If you've been watching my videos for a while, then you know that I've been actively making and managing money since the age of 9. So my parents really helped me get comfortable with the basic financial tools that were available. I got a savings account pretty young. I got my debit card when I was pretty young. I started making fixed deposits and recurring deposits with the bank, and I was very comfortable with those financial instruments. Then I turned 18, and it was time for me to dive into the depths of the financial markets and the thousands of tools that came with it. I was overwhelmed would be an understatement. So I did what I thought was best. I procrastinated. But jokes apart, for a whole year I gave myself excuses like I don't have enough money, I make just enough returns from fixed deposits and recurring deposits. Why try the stock market? Because I could potentially lose money there. I'll start investing when I make money. I will wait till I've completed my research and I completely understand everything about the stock market and mutual funds before I start. And the list was endless. I felt really stuck. Finally, when I turned 19, I remember I had a conversation with a friend who urged me to consider investing in the stock market. And I realized that I had been thinking about this for a whole year and not taken a step forward. So I turned this frustration into a conversation with my aunt, who I knew had been investing in the stock market for over 2 decades. And surprisingly, that's all I needed. A simple conversation with her made me feel like I could do it. I could start investing. There are 2 main reasons for this. Because until then, I had only spoken to friends my age who hardly knew what they were doing. So they couldn't give me enough confidence to start investing. 2, given her experience in the stock market, she was able to tell me the early mistakes that she made so that I could avoid them, and the good practices that she followed that I could also follow so that the stock market would work in my favor. After the conversation, I took my first step and started investing in mutual funds and the stock market. And it's soon going to be 3 years of investing for me. My investment journey has been majorly shaped by learning from the experiences of other investors. In fact, all investors have their own methodologies and principles of investing, and it's always interesting to learn from them. So I thought it was only fair if I could save your time and do all you introverts a favor by bringing together some golden nuggets of investing wisdom together in one video. So for this video, I'm going to take a step back and bring in some other awesome investors who are going to be sharing their golden rules of investing with you. So let's hear it from them.
Hi, I'm Yogesh Keswani and I'm the co-founder of P10 Money, a mobile app designed to help the youth in India make better money choices. So go to the link in the description below and download the app now. I have been investing for 12 years. And my golden rule of investing is that there is no formula to make you super rich super quick. Don't think of investing as shown in Wolf of Wall Street or in popular media. Don't go after the trending stocks, like the airline stock that crashed, the bank in trouble, or just that stock in the news. Trust me, I've done that and I've learned a tough lesson. Investing is boring. Be very, very careful with your money. Do your research and invest in fundamentally strong companies. The glamour will kick in the long run when you have reached your goals. And let me tell you this, there is no better feeling than that. Happy investing.
Hi everyone, my name is Deepika and I'm 53 years old and I've been investing in the stock market since almost 2 decades. I've been investing in the directly and in mutual funds also, and I've seen many ups and downs, and it has taught me that if you're patient, you will get good returns on your investments, and you can start off with any small amount, and whenever in need, liquidation is easy too. And to the women out there, I would say that my golden rule is start today, do not waste any time, and it's an opportunity for everyone to create wealth.
Hi guys, my name is Ganesh. I've been investing for about 30 years now. And one of the golden rules I follow for investing is balancing my portfolio. What that means is that everybody has a particular risk profile, how much risk you're willing to take with your financial investments. And that changes over age too. So when you're young, you can take some more risk. When you're older, you reduce your risk. And so what you need to do is to balance your portfolio according to your risk appetite. If you look at your portfolio, you can broadly classify it between equity and debt. And equity carries higher risk and potentially higher reward. Debt, on the other hand, generally carries lower risk and potentially lower rewards too. And if you mix and match it, the percentage of equity and debt, you adjust it so that you have the right risk profile. And over the long term, you get much more stable risk-weighted returns. So this is a golden rule that you should always follow. In the short term, it may not mean to have a big impact, but in the longer term, over 10, 15 years, balancing a portfolio on a regular basis ensures that you take the right amount of risk, which is to your comfort level, and you get the best returns.
My name is Raji Kaipalil. I am 28 years old and I am a transport data scientist by profession. I have been investing for over 4 years now, both in the Indian and international market. A golden rule that I follow is stay the course. No matter what the short-term volatility is, if you are investing for the long term, none of this should matter to you. Just stay the course.
So did you like it? Did you enjoy it? I hope you soaked in all those golden rules of investing. Use these rules as a guide, practice them, see what works for you. Investing is all about trial and error and figuring your own methodologies and principles out. So I hope these people gave you something to think about, something to learn from, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Shout out to P10 Money for sponsoring this video. It is always a pleasure to work with them. If you haven't checked them out, make sure you do, because P10 is a platform where you can get unbiased financial advice from experts. And you get to interact with others in the community who are going through the same financial challenges as you. And that's pretty rare. So make sure to check them out. I will leave the link of the website and the app down below in the description box. So make sure you check it out. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments down below on which investing rule was your favorite, or if you have golden nuggets of investing wisdom to share, make sure you share with our community. We are growing in numbers, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and be a part of this community. Congratulations on making it till the end of the video, sending you lots of courage to take your first step towards investing if you haven't already, because the highest in me recognizes the highest in you. And I'll see you in my next video.